All right, so I'm going to start by using these two products. I got this idea from Red Fairy here on Instagram. Not Instagram, this is YouTube. AKA 𝓓𝓲𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽. I think I'm saying her name right, but I'm basically going to mix these two products together as if I were using a powder bleach with the cream. So basically, I saw her TikTok, and what this is supposed to do is give your frontals or your lace on your wigs like a real scalp like finish. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just adding and mixing products, and right here I just added too much, and so my consistency is not the way that I want it. But when I tell y'all it still worked, it still worked. I'm also going to make sure that I leave these products linked to my Amazon storefront. So be sure to check out my description box because I will have my Amazon storefront linked directly below for you guys. So right here, I'm just going to stir those two products together to mix them. And on her TikTok, she says she let them sit so it can get a little bit thicker. So that's exactly what I did. So right here, I'm just taking the frontal, well, the wig, and I'm going to turn it around, flip it over, so I can put the product on the lace. So here, y'all, I was really trying to move the hairs off of the frontal out of the way, but then I remembered in her TikTok, she said that it will not bleach the hairs. So I was like, okay, whatever, I'm just gonna go for it. So I forgot how long I let it sit, but this is about as thick as it got because I'm impatient. So I went ahead and placed, well, first I want y'all to see what I was listening to, and then I had me some iced coffee, okay? But I went ahead and placed some spray. I'll link it down below because I forgot the name, on the frontal. I let it dry, and then I placed the product over it. When I'm done, I just like to flip the wig back to the way that it's supposed to be. Y'all are gonna see because I'm terrible at explaining things. And then I'm just going to let it sit on the mannequin head for about 45 minutes. I could have let the product sit on there even longer because it didn't get as tinted as I wanted it to, but it really did a good job for the 45 minutes that it sat on there. So after that, this is some footage that I got on my phone. I just wanted y'all to see like that it was giving scalp like after the wash, the shampoo, the conditioner, and everything. Like I really did like it. It was blending in with my skin perfectly, okay. And then this is just a different angle of the frontal and the inside. Like I said, it could have gotten tinted a little bit more in my opinion. So now the wig is on the mannequin head, and I'm just going to show you guys exactly what it looked like, what it's giving, and it's giving some scalp. So here I'm just brushing out the hair or whatever, and I wanted to talk about this brush to y'all because it's by Eco Tools, and when I tell y'all this is the best brush ever, like this video is not sponsored by Eco Tools, but I really do love this brush. But I'm about to show y'all like how it got these tangles out. I was trying to get it out of my hand, but I couldn't, and so I'm gonna show y'all how easily and effortlessly this removed the tangle. Like, look at that. And then there was little to no shedding, so it does not pull your hair out or anything like that. So I'm gonna leave that link below as well for y'all to get that brush. I really love it. It was sent to me, and once again, this is not sponsored. So y'all, I filmed the video or whatever, and I've just been so busy that I have not had time to show y'all like the finished results. And today my ring light broke, so I don't have a ring light right now, and the enemy is trying to come in and mess things up, but he got another thing coming, okay? But anyways, I don't know if y'all can see, like, okay, so y'all can see the color or whatever, but I'm gonna tell y'all about this frontal too, y'all. I messed it up. I'm not gonna go into details, but I messed it up, so I'm gonna have to replace the frontal on this wig because it's some beautiful hair. I just don't like that transparent frontal, so I'm gonna give me an HD frontal or whatever like that. But I do highly recommend the bleaching things that I use. I got those from Red Fairy, that idea from her. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.